Most men believe women fall in love because of wealth, looks, or clever words. But the truth is, women don't fall for what you have, they fall for who you are. Not the mask you put on, but the depth you live by. Love isn't magic, and it's not manipulation, it's mastery. As Marcus Aurelius once said, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. And that's the real secret. You don't convince a woman to love you. You become someone she can't help but love. Women fall in love with your emotional stability. Showing emotion isn't weakness, but losing control is. When you're reactive, needy, or desperate, she feels unsafe. A stoic man isn't cold, he's calm. He feels deeply, but stays unshaken, and she falls in love with that peace. Women also fall in love with your purpose. If you make her your purpose, she loses interest because deep down, she wants to join your mission, not be the reason you exist. Your drive and discipline show her you won't crumble if she leaves, and paradoxically, that's what makes her want to stay. Next, women fall in love with how you make them feel about themselves. It's not about impressing her, it's about reflecting her best self back to her. A stoic man listens, observes, and speaks with intention. He makes her feel seen, understood, and safe to be soft. She doesn't love you because you're perfect. She loves you because she feels better when she's with you. Women also fall in love with your boundaries. Most men fear saying no, afraid of losing her. But boundaries are attractive because they show self-respect and strength. She tests you not to break you, but to feel your limits. A man who can't say no can't protect anything. And finally, women fall in love with your consistency. Big gestures are easy, but showing up with reliability and steadiness is rare. When you keep your word, when you're stable even in difficult times, she can trust you. She invests in you because you're not a storm, you're the foundation. So, how do women truly fall in love? Not with gifts, not with sweet words, and not with false confidence. They fall for your calm, your mission, your presence, your strength, and your consistency. Women don't fall for men who chase them. They fall for men who lead themselves, master their minds, and live with purpose. Stop trying to force her love. Instead, become someone worth loving.